How to convert personal to professional account on Instagram. Open Instagram app first of all, then make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. So tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you get access to this profile feed, select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, you have to scroll all the way down and select account type and tools under for professionals. When you get access to this page, select Switch to Professional Account option. Now select Continue bottom. Once you get access to this page, you have to base describes what suits you. So let's select any one of our choice and now tap on Done. Before that, if you wish to display on profile, you can toggle it on. Now tap on Done. It can take up to 30 seconds to wait until that. So here you can either create a creator or business accounts as per your choice and select next button. If you wish to share logins using Account Center, you can select continue, otherwise select not now button. Here you need to set up your professional account and fulfill the 6 steps, which is optional. And once you do that, you need to exit from Instagram. And when you open the Instagram app, then tap on profile icon at again. Wait a moment. As you can see that there is professional dashboard, that means we have successfully converted our personal account to professional account on Instagram. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.